Hi, I'm finally doing it 10 years later. I literally ordered this palette in March, but obviously with current situations that have been going on, I've only just got it a few weeks ago and I have just tried it for the first time today and we're in for a good time. So I've obviously done this eye look using the Mulan palette. So I didn't like talk through the eyeshadow or anything. We all know how to do eyeshadow at this point, I think. So I've done this nice smoky look. I really wanted to use the warm tones. Like this gold, honestly, as soon as I opened the palette, there's like two golds here that would just like use me. But I didn't. I avoided using them and I went with the cooler tones, and I actually really like how this came out. So you do get a bunch of like different formulas in the palette as well. There's the obvious mattes and then you have like the shimmers. You've got like two shades. You've got this one here and then the black that are just like mattes with like a tiny bit of glitter in that you can just like kind of tap your brush off and then it's a matte. And then you've got the normal shimmer shades like this one that I use all over the lid. But then I'm pretty sure you have two Super Shock shadows. Is that glitter? But this Like a Girl there, that is definitely a Super Shock shadow. I've used that as well. But then you've got like that gold that I just showed you there, that middle one. I don't know if it's a glitter or if it's a... Oh yeah, that's just a glitter. Okay, for sure. So you can just kind of pop that over top, I guess. So that one is literally just a pressed glitter. And then you've got... Is this another Super Shock? Oh, look at that. Super Shock shadow that's got like glitter in it. Oh my god, look at that. But anyway, we're going to be doing a tutorial using this palette obviously today. So I hope you like this eye look. Let me know what you think of it. If you've got the palette, let me know as well. And if you've got any of the other stuff from the collection, even though I know it's sold out and we're all waiting for the restock, because I definitely am, because I want the blushes and stuff. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So enjoy the video, grab a snack, grab a coffee. I didn't actually have a coffee today. It's also 7:15 p.m, but you know. Anyway, enjoy the video. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, absolutely fine, get it. Give the video a thumbs up as well, and I'm gonna go get some dinner. Okie dokie, so I am just gonna breeze through the eyes as I always do. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I think I want to do a cool tone look, seeing as I'm not the most cool toned person. It's so pretty. I can't even deal with this. It's so nice. So yeah, obviously me, I would gravitate to this section over here, but I think I want to do something with this shade, Warrior. It just looks so nice. It's like a nice taupey silver. So I think I might do something a bit cool toned and a bit smoky maybe. So yeah, I'm sure that the eyeshadows are the same as all other Colourpop eyeshadows. I love them. They're really easy to blend and they're just really good quality eyeshadows. So I'll just show you what I'm doing and stuff, and then I'll let you know if I have any troubles with anything, and we'll see what I can come up with. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow palette. It's so nice. I actually really like the cool tones. I don't know, I feel like it's just kind of made me want to use cool tone shades a bit more because I actually really like that. The taupey shade that I use, it looks so nice and everything just blended like extra well. I don't know, maybe it's just because I haven't used Colourpop eyeshadows in a while. Maybe that's it. Maybe it's just because I don't really use eyeshadow. It's probably that. But yeah, everything blended really easily. It was so easy to do the smoky eye. The dark shade, this True, is it called? Yeah, True. That's really dark, but it blends out so nicely, really, really easily. So I am obsessed with this. That is approved. I love that. I hope they get it back in stock soon, to be fair, because I got this literally when they launched it, but obviously with the shipping and stuff, haven't been able to get it until literally a few weeks ago. So I'm just going to finish the rest of the face off. I really wanted the blushes and I will definitely get them as soon as they're back in stock. I wanted the fan as well. I just thought it'd be cool to get one of those actual fans. So I'm just going to use the Milani Silky Mattes bronzer. For blush, I'm going to go in with Always Earthy from e.l.f. That was great, isn't it? Okay, then to highlight, I'm going to use Glow Goals from Ofra. So for lips, I'm going to use the Vow lip liner from Revolution. Then I'm going to use Jefree Star Mannequin, just probably in like the centre, and then I'll just blend it out with my finger. And then we're going to go in with the gloss as well on top. So I'm going to use Over the Top from Dose of Colours. It's just kind of like the gold one, but it's just nice and sparkly. Okay, so we're all done. I love this palette so much, honestly. I'm so happy. If you tried any of the other stuff from the Mulan collection as well, let me know because I really want to try the blushes. I kind of want to get both of them. They have like a lighter one and then like a deeper one as well. Kind of want both. I'm literally hoping that they restock them soon. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.